Dear student, welcome to all. In this presentation, we have to discuss about semiconductor electronic devices in modern society. These are the content of this presentation: introduction, types of semiconductor devices, diode, forward bias and reverse bias, transistor, types of transistors. Introduction: semiconductors. The material science, based on the electrical conductivity, materials can be divided into three types. They are conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Generally, all metals are act as a good conductor because of metals have plenty of free electrons in which these electrons can move easily from one atom to another. So it is called conductor. At room temperature, the resistivity of a good conductors will be of the order of 1.7 in 10 power minus 18 ohm meter. In insulator, which have few free electrons, moreover, in which electrons are tightly bound to the nucleus, for example glass, mica, plastics, rubbers, air, etc., the resistivity of the insulator is 7.5 in 10 power 11 ohm meter. These materials whose those materials whose resistivity lies between that of good conductor and insulators are called semiconductor. For example, germanium, silicon, arsenic. The resistivity of the semiconductor is 10 into 10 power minus 2 to 10 into 10 power minus 3 ohm meter. Generally, semiconductor can be classified into two types. They are intrinsic or pure semiconductor, extrinsic or impure semiconductors. The pure semiconductors have poor conductivity at room temperature. However, the conductivity of a semiconductor is slowly determined by the thermally generated carriers. The extrinsic or impure semiconductors are synthesized by minute amount of impurity is added to the pure semiconductor. There are two types of extrinsic semiconductors. They are N-type semiconductors and B-type semiconductors. When trivalent atoms added to the pure semiconductor, we can get B-type semiconductor which have excessive positive holes, whereas pentavalent atoms added to the pure semiconductors, we can get N-type semiconductors. Here the negative electrons are available in excessive, so the conductivity of the semiconductor is increased at room temperature. So the pure semiconductors cannot be used in electronic device fabrications. The BN junction is formed between the B-type and N-type semiconductor